Welcome back to my channel. This is Kev from Solo Record. Today I'm going to unbox FM radio transmitter. What is this for? Basically, if you put this gadget in auxiliary power outlet on the car, you can transmit your music via radio. Plus, you can charge your handphone with it. It's already support quick charging. Let's open the box. I don't know what it is, but it's kinda cute. What kind of animal you think is it? Please leave a comment below. It is a manual book. A warranty card. Let's fast forward. This is the Baseus FM transmitter. There is a Baseus logo on the side. A slot for a micro SD card. There are two USB-A and one USB-C for charging. Let's move to try this gadget. Put this gadget to auxiliary power outlet. This is the ampere meter. You need to put FM broadcast same as your car radio. Hold call radio until it's blinking. Then turn the knob to change the broadcast radio. Put the USB music on it.
Disc mode.
It will automatically transmit it. You can also control the volume from this gadget. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like, please hit the like button and subscribe.